Having a loving dog companion is one of the most wonderful things in life. However, it's essential to address common dog behavior problems to ensure a harmonious relationship. Dog behavior problems are often misunderstood or mishandled by dog owners. Here are 10 of these issues along with effective solutions to help both you and your furry friend thrive together. 1. Barking. Most dogs vocalize in one way or another. They may bark, howl, whine and more. Excessive barking is considered a behavior problem. Before you can correct excessive barking, determine why your dog is vocalizing in the first place. The most common types of barking are warning or alert, playfulness and excitement, attention seeking, anxiety, boredom, responding to other dogs. Learn to control excessive barking. Consider teaching them bark/quiet commands. Be consistent and patient. Address any underlying causes of barking. Dedication and attention to detail can go a long way to stop a dog from barking. 2. Chewing. Chewing is a natural action for all dogs. In fact, chewing is an important activity for most dogs, it's just part of the way they are wired. The most common reasons dogs chew include puppy teething, boredom or excess energy, anxiety, curiosity, especially puppies. Encourage your dog to chew on the right things by providing plenty of appropriate chew toys. Keep personal items away from your dog. If you catch your dog chewing the wrong thing, get your dog's attention and replace the item with a chew toy. One of the most important things you can do is to make sure your dog gets plenty of exercise to burn off energy and be stimulated in that way rather than turning to chewing. 3. Digging. If given the chance, most dogs will do some amount of digging, it's a matter of instinct. Certain dog breeds, like terriers, are more prone to digging because of their hunting histories. In general, most dogs dig for these reasons: boredom or excess energy, anxiety or fear, hunting instinct, comfort seeking, such as nesting or cooling off, desire to hide possessions, like bones or toys, to escape or gain access to an area. It can get rather frustrating if your dog likes to dig up your yard. Try and determine the cause of the digging, then work to eliminate that source. Give your dog more exercise, spend more quality time together, and work on extra training. If digging seems inevitable, set aside an area where your dog can freely dig, like a sandbox. Train your dog that it is acceptable to dig in this area only. 4. Separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is one of the most commonly discussed dog behavior problems. Signs of true separation anxiety include: the dog becomes anxious when the owner prepares to leave. Misbehavior occurs in the first 15 to 45 minutes after the owner leaves. The dog wants to follow the owner around constantly. The dog tries to be touching the owner whenever possible. True separation anxiety requires dedicated training, behavior modification, and desensitization exercises. Medication may be recommended in extreme cases. 5. Inappropriate elimination. Inappropriate urination and defecation are among the most frustrating dog behaviors. They can damage areas of your home and make your dog unwelcome in public places or at the homes of others. Inappropriate elimination is unavoidable in puppies, especially before 12 weeks of age. Many dogs require serious behavior modification to rid them of the habit once it becomes ingrained. Eventually, most grown, potty-trained dogs can learn to ring so-called doggy doorbells to let their owners know when to let them out for a bathroom break. 6. Begging. Begging is a bad habit, but many dog owners inadvertently encourage it. Yes, it is hard to resist that longing look, but giving in just this once creates a problem in the long run. Before you sit down to eat, tell your dog to go to their place, preferably where they won't be able to stare at you. If necessary, confine your dog to another room. If they behave, offer a special treat after you and your family are finished eating. 7. Chasing. A dog's desire to chase moving things is simply a display of predatory instinct. Many dogs will chase other animals, people, and cars. All of these can lead to dangerous and devastating outcomes. While you may not be able to stop your dog from trying to chase, you can take steps to prevent disaster. Keep your dog confined or on a leash at all times, unless directly supervised indoors. Train your dog to come when called. Have a dog whistle or noisemaker on hand to get your dog's attention. Stay aware and watch for potential triggers, such as cars, joggers, and wildlife. Your best chance at success is to keep the chase from getting out of control. Dedicated training throughout your dog's life will teach them to focus their attention on you first, before running off. 8. Jumping up. Jumping up is a common and natural behavior in dogs. Puppies jump up to reach and greet their mothers. Later, they may jump up when greeting people. There are many methods to stop a dog's jumping, but not all will be successful. Lifting a knee, grabbing the paws, or pushing the dog away might work in some cases, but for most dogs, this sends the wrong message. Jumping up is often attention-seeking behavior, so any acknowledgement of your dog's actions provides an instant reward, which reinforces the jumping. The best method is to simply ignore your dog. Walk away if necessary. Do not make eye contact, speak, or touch your dog. When he relaxes and remains still, calmly reward him. 9. Biting. Dogs bite and nip for several reasons, most of which are instinctive. Puppies bite and nip to explore the environment. Mother dogs teach their puppies not to bite too hard and discipline them when needed. Owners often need to show their puppies that mouthing and biting are not acceptable by continuing to teach bite inhibition. The motivation to bite or snap is not necessarily about aggression. A dog may snap, nip, or bite for a variety of reasons. Fear, defensiveness, protection of property, pain or sickness, predatory instinct. Any dog may bite if the circumstances warrant it in the dog's mind. Owners and breeders are the ones who can help decrease the tendency for any type of dog to bite through proper training, socialization, and breeding practices. 10. Aggression. Dog aggression is exhibited by growling, snarling, showing teeth, lunging, and biting. It is important to know that any dog has the potential to show aggression, regardless of breed or history. Unfortunately, some breeds are labeled dangerous and banned in certain areas. However, it's not usually about the breed so much as it's about history. A dog's environment has a major impact on behavior. Reasons for aggression are the same as the reasons a dog will bite or snap, but overall canine aggression is a much more serious problem. Serious measures should be taken to keep others safe from aggressive dogs. For health-related questions, always consult your veterinarian, as they have examined your pet, know the pet's health history, and can make the best recommendations for your pet.